Hey there, Toby Stark, Stark Associates Insurance Agency, reaching out to you to make sure that you have a full understanding of what assistance of care in the home could mean to you. Most Medicare beneficiaries think that Medicare will cover their activities of daily living. In the God forbid case that you're unable to care for yourself and you need to have somebody to come in to care for you. And that's a result of living a long life. Things break down and you might need assistance. But Medicare, if you're not getting any better or you're not showing any progress in physical therapy, Medicare is going to stop paying. So, how are you going to solve to pay for your care? Have you thought about this? Have you talked to your spouse or significant other or family? Have you planned for this? A lot of times when I bring this up, I find that most people haven't, or they didn't even think about it. They just think that it may take care of itself, or we'll just bury it in the sand and somebody will come and take care of us. And really, the reality is most people also say, I don't want to be a burden to my family. But by not planning, that's exactly what you're going to be, because family has to figure out how to take care of you. How are they taking you to the doctor? How are they lifting you off the ground? God forbid if you fell from a bed, who's paying the bills? We have brothers and sisters, and the sisters doing most of the caretaking, and everybody else isn't doing anything. The infighting that happens, the caretaker ages 3 years to every year that they take care of somebody. That sounds like a burden to me. We haven't planned from a money standpoint. We haven't put a plan together. So just take a look here. I put out on my website just some proactive thoughts on what long-term care coverage, the long-term care insurance does. It protects savings in retirement. Without coverage, you're going to have to pay for this out of pocket. It's extremely expensive. Home health care could average anywhere from somebody full time, $65,000, $70,000 a year. If you have a policy in place, it gives you freedom of choice. You decide how and where you want the care. It will help pay for your care, leaving your money in your bank account, in an investment account, to take the ride uphill on those gains. If you have to take money out, it's not going to gain with your investments because it's going to be at the facility. They have your money now, you don't. Reduces caregiver stress. This is a big one. What a lot of these policies will in fact do is they come with care coordination. They will coordinate care for you in the home so you can be or have a loved one be a care manager, not a caretaker. If you're the one that's being taken care of, that's not a burden. They're managing your care. They're not in the day to day where the stress level is absolutely through the roof, right? Preserves dignity and independence. Quality care delivered by trained professionals means that you receive the support you need without burdening the loved ones, which I talked about, and safeguard your legacy. Just making sure you're paying attention from a talking standpoint. I can't put these words together. Your financial legacy, the one you worked so hard to build, stays intact for your spouse, children, or favorite causes. So you have to think, do I want to leave a legacy behind, and how does that look? This takes thinking and planning. The sooner you do it, the better you'll be prepared and relieve the burden from your family. Let's go back to it. Just an example here, a nursing home stay, $110,000 per year, a long-term care policy paying $4,000 a month could cover nearly half the costs. That's more than financial protection, it's peace of mind. So in reality, if you're looking to protect yourself from the explosive long-term care costs, look into a long-term care policy. And here at Stark Associates, Toby Stark, hey, we can help you craft a policy that's unique to you. Everyone's a snowflake here. Everyone's emotions are different. You need to put together a plan, and we can craft a plan to cover some or a little bit more depending of your cost for long-term care, so you can keep your money and provide a legacy to a loved one or family member or charity when you're no longer on this planet. Toby Stark, Stark Associates Insurance Agency. Plan early, and protect yourself. Thanks again.